The purpose of this demonstration is to show the necessary steps to change from the 11mm HVE and holder to the large bore 15mm HVE and holder. This procedure will be the same for 500 assistance arms, 551, 541, 545, as well as for 300 assistance arms. You may need as many as 3 tools: a 5/32 Allen wrench, a 7/16 open-end wrench, and also a 1/4 inch open-end wrench. Step 1 in the procedure is to remove the handpieces currently in the holders and set them aside. Next, we'll use the 5/32 Allen wrench to remove the end cap retaining bolt. You can then remove the HVE holder by sliding it off the axle. Slide the replacement holder onto the axle of the holder bar. Reinstall the end cap. Adjust your holders as necessary by starting with the closest one to the turret or to the touchpad. Pull on it and adjust it and bring them all into alignment. And then reinstall the items that were removed, with the exception of the 11mm HVE, which will be replaced by the 15mm HVE in the kit. It is common that the axles that hold the holders together will separate somewhere other than at the end cap when the end cap is removed. When this happens, your wrenches will be used to hold the axle and unthread the corresponding component. The axle can then be reinstalled and the new holder slid into place. And lastly, the end cap installed. Lastly, we will need to remove the 11mm HVE tubing assembly from the solids collector housing. It will not necessarily be in the position that I'm pointing to now. It could be on any of the 3 ports. The removal is easiest done with the vacuum system turned off, and in some cases, if it hasn't been maintained in some time, the tailpiece will be stuck to the housing and may require a small screwdriver or other prying tool to remove it, being careful not to mar the plastic housing. The 11mm HVE assembly can then be cleaned, disinfected, and stored in the shipping bag for later use should the need arise.